A very good morning to you, children. I hope all of you are fine. So once again, today in the English class, we are going to learn something new. And as you all know, we had completed with the explanation of lesson 5, Crusoe finds a friend. So we are going to solve now some of the exercises. And to begin with, I start with exercise C. And as you can see, exercise C is fill in the table given below. So if you look into your books, you will be having a table there. So this column table is divided into two parts. In the first part, we have to write what Crusoe did for Friday. And in the second part of the table, we have to mention the things which Friday did for Crusoe. So when we were doing the chapter, we had read about many things which Crusoe did for Friday and many things which Friday had done for Crusoe. So in a tabular form, we are going to note down. We have to mention only 3 things as per the questions. So to begin with, as you can see, what Crusoe did for Friday. So we are going to learn the things which Crusoe had done for Friday. The first thing is that he gave him food to eat and arranged a place to rest. So Crusoe, he used to give food to Friday and then he also arranged a proper place where Friday could rest and sleep at night. Then secondly, he taught him how to plant and harvest wheat and rice. So second thing which Crusoe did for Friday was that he taught him how he can plant wheat and rice and then he can harvest them also. Thirdly, he also taught him to make baskets and dishes. So we had read that as no crockery or anything was available there, they had to use the leaves of the trees, and with that, how baskets and dishes could be made. Crusoe taught Friday about these things. Now we come on to the second part of the table where we have to mention what Friday did for Crusoe. So he milked goats and prepared butter and cheese. Every day Friday used to milk the goats and then he used to use that milk to make butter and cheese. Secondly, he picked out a good tree for making a strong boat. So we read that since their old boat was not very strong, they wanted to make a new boat. And Friday had a lot of knowledge about trees. So he picked out a very good tree whose wood can be used to make a strong boat. And thirdly, he covered the boat with thick boughs of trees to save it from rain. So when their boat was prepared, they wanted to save it from rain, and to save it from rain, Friday, he picked up some thick boughs of trees which they used to cover the boat so that the boat does not get wet and spoil. So these were the things which Friday did for Crusoe. So now we move on to exercise D. It is answer these questions. So some questions from the text are given which we have to write the answers for. The first question is, where did Crusoe take Friday? What did he give Friday to eat? So Crusoe took Friday to his cave and gave him bread, a bunch of raisins and a cup of water. Coming on to the second question, what did Friday get to wear? How did he feel in his new clothes? So we had read in the story that before this, Friday did not wear clothes. So what type of new clothes he got? Friday got a pair of goatskin trousers, a goatskin coat and a cap made of hare's skin to wear. So Crusoe had given him trousers, coat and a hat also, and he felt very proud of his clothes. He felt very proud of his clothes because before this he had never worn any clothes. Third question is, what sleeping arrangements did Crusoe made for Friday? So what were the arrangements which Crusoe made for Friday? Crusoe made a tent for Friday. in the spaces between two fences. So two fences के बीच में जो space थी वहां पे क्रूसो ने फ्राइडे के लिए एक टेंट बनाया. Then he made its door to lock from inside so that Friday could sleep inside safely. Then he also made the arrangement that the door of the tent should be locked from inside ताकि फॉरेस्ट में रहने वाले या उस आइलैंड पे रहने वाले कोई भी वाइल्ड एनिमल्स अंदर आके उसको खा ना जाए. सो टू कीप हिम सेफ ही मेड द डोर टू बी लॉक्ड फ्रॉम इनसाइड. Right, now moving on to the fourth question. What did Crusoe tell Friday about his life on the island? So we had read that after Friday could speak the language which Crusoe taught him, क्योंकि धीरे धीरे Friday को Crusoe की language English बोलनी आ गई थी, तो that time they could talk to each other. So what did Crusoe tell that time? Crusoe told Friday how he happened to be on the island. कि वो उस आइलैंड पर कैसे आया, how long he had been there, वो कब से उस आइलैंड पे है, and how he managed to arrange food for himself while living there for 26 years. कि 26 years से वो वहां रह रहे. सो अपने लिए वो फूड कैसे अरेंज किया, कैसे उसने सीखा कि वो अपने लिए फूड अरेंज कर पाए. सो दीज वर द थिंग्स विच क्रूसो यूज्ड टू टेल फ्राइडे. कमिंग ऑन टू द लास्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट डिड फ्राइडे थिंक ऑफ द बोट्स दैट क्रूसो हैड मेड? सो क्रूसो हैड शोन फ्राइडे सम बोट्स. व्हाट डिड फ्राइडे थिंक अबाउट दोज बोट्स? Friday thought that the small boat was not right for them. The first impression was that the small boat is not right for them. They could not use it. Then he felt that the boat of larger size was good, but as it was cracked and rotten, a new boat was to be made. So Friday told Robinson that the large boat is good, but it is rotten, it is cracked, so they have to make a new boat. Now moving on to the next exercise E, we have to complete the sentences from the text. So the first one they have given is, Friday picked out a good tree and used its wood to make a new boat. So whatever the good tree Friday picked, they used the wood of that tree to make a new boat. The second one is, Crusoe had saved, what had Crusoe saved over the past 26 years? He had saved the pieces of old sails from the ship he used. जो ship वो use कर रहा था, जो ship में वो बैठकर जब शिप रेक हो गई थी और वो इस आइलैंड पे लैंड कर गया था, उस टाइम की उस शिप के बचे हुए जो सेल्स थे उनके सारे के सारे पीसेस क्रूसो ने संभाल के रखे थे. थर्ड वन इज, इट टुक 2 months फॉर क्रूसो. क्रूसो को 2 months क्या करने में लगे? टू सीव 2 large pieces of old sails to make the sail for the new boat. So we had read that when he searched all his old sails and out of those old sails he found 2 good pieces जिनको together sew करके मतलब सिल के join करके उसने न्यू बोट के लिए अपना सेल बनाया और ये काम करने में उसको पूरे 2 months लगे. The fourth one is, Crusoe made the rudder. So we have read that Crusoe ने rudder बनाया and after making that rudder, what did he do? He fastened it to the stern of the boat. उसने वो जो rudder बनाया उसको नई वाली बोट के पीछे stern पे मतलब उसके बैक साइड पे उसको fasten कर दिया या tie कर दिया. The last one is, Crusoe taught Friday how to use the rudder, right? And he became a good sailor. So after learning how to use the rudder properly, Friday himself became a very good sailor. So I hope all these exercises are clear to you and you will be writing them in your notebook. In the next class, we'll be learning some more exercise. Till then, have a nice day.